Hello! Today in front of me I have VIVO Y76 5G smartphone, and in this video we will demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout setting to never on this device. So if we will open up the settings, go to the display category in here and look for the screen timeout setting. We will see that the maximum value that can be set is 30 minutes. In order to set it to never, we will use the help of the third-party free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So open up the Play Store on your device and at the search bar type in Caffeine. So that's the app that we are looking for. Tap on install, wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. After that you can just open it. And here just make sure that the timeout category has the infinite value set. And if the infinite value is set, that ultimately means that as long as the Caffeine application is running and active, your screen will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time it will have the idle status. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!